everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I am with you with a very easy and very beautiful, very cute project. We are going to make crochet lips. This is one round crochet, dear friends. Only in one round you will have this kind of beautiful crochet lips appliques. You can sew up these lips appliques on your crochet creations, such as crochet bags, crochet scarves, crochet pouches, crochet hats, anything you can imagine, you can use these. You can also make crochet jewelry using these appliques. Crochet rings, crochet earrings, crochet necklace you can make. I really love this, especially I love this since it is very easy and especially suitable for the ones that are new for crochet. Okay, dear friends, I will explain everything in detail step by step. Let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. We are starting crocheting. For these lips, I used acrylic yarn. I have this kind of acrylic yarn. If you have scrap yarns, this project is very useful for scrap yarns, but I'm not using this like this. I will fold it because for full and prominent lips we need thick yarn. For this reason, since this is not thick enough, I will fold it. I am folding. We don't need much yarn for this reason. It is easy to fold. And I am measuring it for you. How many centimeters I folded. It's about 2 meters, dear friends. When you fold it, it can be 2 meters. When we finished, maybe you will not be use all of the thread, but I'm getting 2 meters of thread like this folded. I am taking my yarn in my hand, wrapping it on my finger. We will start by making magic ring. For the magic ring, I am keeping like this, folding like this. That's enough. I am taking my hook. Meanwhile, I am using 5.5 millimeters hook. This is 5.5. Okay, I am taking and pull through. Now I am making one chain like this, and then I am going to make a half double crochet, inserting my hook in there, and I will make a half double crochet. Okay, now 2 single stitch I am going to make, inserting my hook, making 1 single stitch and inserting my hook again, and I am making the second single stitch like this. Now I am going to make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and 2 single stitch we are going to make. This is single stitch 1, and this is single stitch 2. Now we are making a half double crochet. And 1 double crochet like this, and 1 half double crochet. Okay, like this. We are going on and we are making 2 single stitch. This is single stitch 1, and this is single stitch 2, 2 chains, chain 1 and chain 2, and making 2 single stitch. This is single stitch 1, and this is single stitch 2. Now making a half double crochet, and 1 single stitch. I am pulling like this a bit. Okay, 1 single stitch. That's all, dear friends. What we are going to do the next, we are going to make this smaller. For this reason, I am taking this yarn end and pulling. When pulling, be careful, slowly do it in order to give a beautiful crochet lip shape. This is okay. Now we will cut this. I will not use the full 2 meters thread. It's a bit remaining. Okay, now first of all I will fix it in the back. I am turning to the back side. I need a hook for this. This hook is a bit big in order to hide the yarn ends in the back. For this reason I will use a small size hook. I am taking this hook. This is 2 millimeters hook. First of all I will fix the place that I cut the yarn, turning to the back, and one moment, I will pull this through. Once again I will do it in order to fix well. And once again I will do it. Okay, I am making this a bit smaller. For this reason I am pulling and trying to give a lip shape like this. Once again I will pull. This is okay, and I will also hide this in the back side. For this reason I am turning and I am hiding this also in the back side. Once again I will do. And again I will do. Now I am cutting. That's all, and we are shaping it with our hands. Like this, in order to give a nice lip shape. We are doing this. Yes, as you see, it is very easy. You can sew up these on your bags, on your scarves, on your cardigans, hats, pouches, anything you can imagine. You can make bag charms with these little lips. It is one round crochet and it is so easy, dear friends. Okay, that's all. Let me show you the other colors. In different colors you can make it like this according to the thickness of the yarn, the size of it. changing. For example, this is thicker. For this reason the lip is a bit bigger. The yarn is not so thick, so for this reason the lip is smaller in this shape. Okay, dear friends, like this. Hope you like this project. Hope you love this crochet one round lips. I will go on sharing this kind of easy tutorials, dear friends. Especially if you are a beginner, I'll be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. See you in the coming videos.